Hi, welcome to this random video um, about using Jupyter notebooks in VS Code. So yeah, I just decided to make this like small 3-4 minute video about it. So I've been using Visual Studio Code for a while, but I've never used Jupyter notebooks in it. I typically don't use Jupyter notebooks because I just like to code in Python scripts. But recently I've been using Jupyter notebooks, and then I realized why not use them in VS Code. And there is a plugin, and it just works fantastically. So I don't need to use separate browser entities. So yeah, so this short video is like how to get that set up. For those of you who don't know VS Code, it's an IDE by Microsoft. It's available on all platforms, supports Python and C, C++, all possible languages, tons of plugins. It's pretty cool. It's the new thing in town. So, well, it's been around for a couple of years, but it's kicked off, and it has also gained a lot of traction. So here's the web page for downloading it on Windows, Linux, and whatnot, and it has lots and lots of plugins and lots of language supports and crazy community behind it. So all right, so with this in hand, let's see how to deal with the Python interactive notebooks in VS Code. So right, so here I have VS Code opened up. Uh, yeah, so all you need to do is download this Jupyter um, extension. So you go to the extension manager and then you type Jupyter, Jupyter, whatever, and this pops up. And then all you have to do is click install. I already have it installed, so I don't have to worry about it. So once you have it installed, um, creating a new notebook is pretty easy. So you bring up the command palette, which is using Control Shift P, and then you type notebook. So you see this option of um, create a blank notebook with Jupyter in front. So let's use this, and um, let me smush the terminal a bit. Great. So here you have your Jupyter notebook opened up. Um, you can set a trusted, where's your Jupyter server if you are running it on a network. You can plug that in here. Which Python version you're using. I want to use 3.9, and let's try it out. So let's see if I just print test, boom, works. And if I want to write some markdowns, uh, so let's say test. Okay, I can write markdown as well. So um, this just works like a regular Jupyter notebook. So actually, I had seen this feature a couple of years back when it was pretty rudimentary. So where images were not supported or there was some issue with images, but now everything seems to work pretty well. So so I went ahead and tried a notebook that I recently created. So you can check about this notebook in my quantum coding series. And so if I run this, and let me run this, and then this. So the circuit is drawn here. So basically, even the graphics work fine. So I think everything that you can do in a Jupyter notebook, you can do here. So because I already work with a VS Code ecosystem, I just why not use my notebooks here itself? So yeah, give it a shot. And also, VS Code is pretty useful for any programming language, and even there are plugins for MATLAB as well. And with the recent plugins for MATLAB and Jupyter interfaces, there's like the possibilities are endless. So I know I was late to the party, but I hope someone found this useful. All right, see you guys.